Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to type text, add notes, fill in information, or write directly on a PDF using Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat provides several ways to write on a PDF, including adding text boxes, comments, annotations, form entries, and editing existing text. So whether you are completing forms, reviewing documents, or adding new content, Acrobat makes the process simple. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to write on a PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open the PDF where you want to write, review the documents, and determine whether you need to fill a form, add notes, insert text, edit existing text. So different writing tasks use different Acrobat tools. Choose the appropriate tool, like dependent on your goal. Use fill and sign, so for forms and simple text entry, comment for annotations and notes, and edit PDF for modifying documents content. So selecting the right tool makes writing much easier. Write using fill and sign, like all tools, okay, and then choose fill and sign or tools, fill and sign. Click anywhere on the PDF and begin typing. So this is ideal for forms, applications, contracts, basic text additions. Okay, you can also add a text comment, like for annotation. Select all tools and then add comments. Yeah, and then choose text comment or text box and click on the page and type your text. Okay, or edit existing PDF text if allowed. So select edit a PDF, click existing text and make your changes. Okay, so you can correct mistakes, update information, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.